guys, welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. I hope all is well. I am out actually working, stopped for lunch today at Jersey Mike's, and I just wanted to show you something. So I ordered the mini sandwich. This is actually half of the mini. So imagine two of these because I already ate the other half. But it was really good. So what I was thinking was sometimes the sandwich is so large. This is just a little tip I was thinking. If you are already full, like right now I'm feeling full, or I'm feeling satisfied, let's say that I'm feeling satisfied. I ordered water. I did order chips today, so I'm doing Weight Watchers. So for me, my points for my sandwich was 13, my chips were 6, and I wanted those chips, so I got those chips. But what I could have did is not had the chips to save those points. But the sandwich is so big, that's where I was going today. My point, the sandwich is so big that I'm gonna save half of it for later. And then that way I can have, you know, a healthy dinner and I don't have to worry about what I'm gonna eat later on. So I'm feeling pretty good about this choice I made today. This is just a short video again about how to stretch out things. You know, if you do have a high calorie lunch or a high calorie dinner, maybe you can have half of it now, half of it later. My mom was really good at that. She could eat half of something and save the rest for later. We talked about that in previous videos, how that's not my natural routine, but I'm actually learning how to do better as I'm on my healthy journey. So this tip I thought I would share with you today. Again, eat half now, eat half later. I was thinking, because I'm on a healthier journey, it's so funny how your whole life is impacted. I would not normally even order a turkey sandwich. I ordered the turkey with the provolone cheese. And the reason this is so important is because I can see my mind shift. And of course my app is helping me with my points to make better decisions because everything has a number value. But I feel better. I ate the turkey and provolone where I normally would have had the sub sandwich with the ham and the prosciutto, you know, lunch, what is it, sausage or spicy pepperoni and all of those other meats. And in and of itself, they're not bad. But for me and my body, I'm not able to process that. As I've mentioned before, you know, with some of my health issues. But I would have ordered it anyway, even though I know for a fact it would have affected me later. I would have been taking an antacid, Tums, something like that to process it. So it's so funny how I'm trying to shift my mind, and as a result my whole body is feeling better. And I thought that was just important to add to this video, is that making better choices all around. Again, not just for the aesthetics, how do I look, but how do I feel? Even mentally, I feel more alert. Even mentally, I feel more alert because I ate the turkey versus having a sandwich that would have weighed me down. I only ate half of it, as I stated before. So I'm very excited about this journey, guys. I've actually set myself a number goal that I want to reach by the end of June. So this is going to add a little pressure, but I'm going to go ahead and say it here. My goal is to lose another 5 pounds per month until the end of June. So this might be my motivation. We won't call it pressure. So between now, this is the end of March, we're going to 1st of April, May, and June. I would like to lose 5 pounds per month, and that'll give me a grand total of 25. If you're just starting this journey too, how about joining me? Let me know what your goal is. If you don't mind sharing, drop it in the comments. Well, until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Bye.